All right. We're going to release the rubber bands from the top of the guitar and its little casement there. Et la voilà, on a un corps. Eh ben, du l'acajou. Alors voilà. Et maintenant, j'imagine qu'on va faire la même chose qu'on a fait avec l'autre côté. Puis on va lui foutre un bout de scotch, puis enlever le gros. Puis voir à quoi on en vient. Puis continuer depuis là.
Yeah.
So now we're sanding the top out. We're evening up the top with the sides. I'm going to do that with probably some files, just like we did last time, and some sandpaper on a sandpaper block.
Oh, I didn't put no tape on it.
Well, it's okay.
Yeah, you think we should just try like that?
I think we should put tape on it. I don't think you...
Much fun.
So now we sanded the fretboard, which is this little flat fretboard that they give you. It's already pre-slotted, and it's got little indicators on the face, little ivory indicators. And we cut the fret wire, we lined it up, we know what we need, we know what we got. And now we're just gonna sink the frets in with a hammer, and then we're gonna press them into the board with the fret press, just in case they don't seat down. If they seat down well with a hammer, we'll just go to gluing them. Up in this thin super glue from StewMac, because I was kind of worried. I bought this Gorilla Glue stuff here, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the viscosity of this glue, it's liquid, but it's nowhere near as liquid as the viscosity of the stuff. Well, you can't see because there's a label around it and it's a white bottle, but this is like water, and this is more like syrup. So I imagine that doing a job like this where the stuff has to drip from one end of the front board to the other, it's not going to happen with this. So there we go, and it comes with little tips so that you can get an absolutely fine application. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's just a little tiny plastic tube that they give you. Obviously, they give you several of them because they must glue up and harden up and are usable one time. So they give you about 3 or 4 of them. And we're going to try to glue in these frets as per the instructions on the manual. So we gave it a little tidy down, and we are now trying to get the sides and the tops as close as we can. It's not actually finished, but we're gonna have to be gluing the neck on, so we want to really Yeah, we want to as close to finish without doing the last finish sanding, like the last grits of paper. We're bringing it to its absolute proper shape, if you will. The rest will be only finishing. Well, hopefully anyway. And that's pretty much where we're at. And we're gonna look at continuing finishing the fretboard, gluing the fretboard on, and the neck. And yeah, we've already taken and sanded a little part of one side to see how quick we are through, and we are very nice. I don't know if you can see that. Focus telephone. Yeah, so there you go. So that's pretty much the frets inserted and glued in. And there you go. We're gonna take it from here.